you're at an interview for your dream tech job and they ask you the entire process of making a Hello World program in C. Not just the syntax, but everything involved. They want to know that you're a programmer and not someone who memorizes syntax. Well then, watch this video, as in cs50++, we're going to be covering what goes into programming and diving deep into the cs50 course, but going much more in depth about what's going on under the hood, making your learning more efficient. So we're first going to start out, we're actually not going to even import that cs50 library that we talked about earlier. We're actually going to have it just return 0 and simply say hello world without our name. And now this return 0, it's not any more relevant to add, but it's still good practice. It's just older versions used to do this, and it makes it more explicit if you do it. We're going to now finally use our compiler program, which is going to be the GCC program, essentially that comes with your operating system. It's going to be located even in one of those core root directories that comes installed in your operating system. We're going to use this program, and what we're going to do is we're going to feed in as the input that comes right after the program name. We're going to say the file that needs to be compiled. Essentially, we're saying, okay, this is the source code. And then we use the option and we dictate what option we want to compile that to. So this is essentially our executable file and what it's going to be named. So it's going to give us hello as the executable file name. Then what we can even do is after it runs successfully using the /hello, we can see what that success value was by doing echo and then a $sign. So echo is our program for printing to the screen. Just like in any other language, whenever we print, even the printf, it's echoing to the terminal. It's really doing the same exact thing. And if we follow that with the question mark, it's going to give us the variable of the last program that was run, what was returned by our main function that seemed so random to us earlier. And we know that it's a data type int because it's going to return 0 if it was success, or 1 or another number if something went wrong. Now, I hate to tell you, but there is actually 4 stages of this compilation process, and we're going to have to cover that in the next video.